Good morning students, welcome back to the online classes of KVR Academy. Today I am going to teaching you class 6 subject geography lesson 1 and the topic is very much important, our solar system. You know this our solar system will consist of 8 planets together make a family of sun. So that's all the universe is totally depend on our solar systems, and the sun and its 8 planets make up the family of the sun. This family of the sun is known as our solar system. We know solar is totally depend on sun, and sun has so much gravitational force that it attract all the planet around its axis, and all the planet can rotate around the suns in its elliptical paths. So that is the sun and its 8 planets, and all the universe in the world like asteroids, comets, and you see some of the meteors were also traveling in a very high speed in the universe. Means all the things you think in the mind, all the celestial bodies and all the heavenly bodies together make our solar systems. So in our solar system there are 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. And Pluto also one of the planet, but our astronomers were neglected this from our solar system because it can orbit in the rotate in the orbit of the Neptune also, that can be boycotted by us, and it is known as one of the dwarf planet. So Pluto is not considered a planet, it considered a dwarf planet. So Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Saturn, Jupiter, these 8 planets make up the family of the sun. So that's why in this topic we shall discuss about some topic here: universe. First one is universe. You know, universe, the vast surrounding space is called universe, which consists stars, planet, meteor, asteroids, comets, and what sun, moon, star. It consists all this known as is universe. The vast surrounding space is called universe. And in this universe there is too much most of the things over us. Question 1 arises. Suppose you survive on the earth. What is you survive on the earth? The earth is what is considered one of the unique planet in the solar system because it is a water also, land also, and the distance from the sun and the earth is 150 million kilometers. And there is one ozone layer that protect us from the harmful radiation that were coming from the sun. You know, from the sun the rays come is infrared radiation. Infrared radiation is considered infrared radiation, visible rays, and third one is ultraviolet radiation. Ultraviolet radiation. So this ultraviolet is protected by the ozone layer. You know, O3, ozone layer. It protects us from ozone layer. It's formally O3. It is one of the blanket that protect the earth for the penetrating of this ultraviolet radiation. If this ultraviolet radiation enter in the earth, it causes skin cancer also, crops can damage also, and create a lots of problem to us. That's why this ozone layer protects us from the harmful radiation which are coming from the sun. So that's why our earth is known as a unique planet in the solar system because it has water. First one is it has water, land also. It is atmosphere also. It is atmosphere which consists oxygen is 21% is oxygen, 21% is O2, means oxygen gas are there. Nitrogen is considered 78%, and other gases are 0.01 gases, CO2 gas, argon, helium, and all the neon, all the argon gas, neon gas, which is considered together make up the atmosphere. This atmosphere gives us life to the plant and animals. It gives life to the plant and animals for the surviving of living thing. That's why our earth is considered is one of the unique planet in the solar system. Second one is Big Bang theory. You know, 2 scientists, their name was Lee Matre and George Gamow, gave his theory that all the universe in about 14 billion years ago, 16 billion years ago, is considered in one position. and after that there is a one big explosion. This is not a Big Bang theory, and with this big explosion all the things in the universe go from far away and stand in one position, because in the space there is no gravitational force. So that's why they are in far away from us, and they make our universe. And at a time there is a lots of humid atmosphere, lots of bubbles comes out of the atmosphere and continue for the millions. It will continue a rain occur, and this considered one of the make up the oceans together. So this is the one of the theory explained by Lemaitre and Joseph Gamow, that all the universe, all the thing in the universe in one place at a time. After the Big Bang theory, it goes from far away and make up the continent and ocean. That make up the continent and ocean. Today there are 7 continents and 5 oceans are there. And at the time the lots of hot atmosphere. After explosion of the Big Bang theory, the atmosphere become hot, just like a bubbles come out, and the atmosphere is too much warm, and all the thing in the universe were far away from us, and also rainfall occur. Took millions of years, rainfall occurs, severe rainfall occurs. As a result, all the peat and all things make up a continent and oceans also. So this Big Bang theory is very important for us, and these two scientists, Lemaitre and Joseph Gamow, consider that give us theory of Big Bang theory. It's known as a big means very much, large, and bang means explosion. This theory is known as Big Bang theory. Now come to the point, galaxy. Galaxy are the cluster of stars, dust, heat that make up a star. There's many countless stars in the universe, and our galaxy name is Milky Way galaxy, and another galaxy was Andromeda galaxy. So our galaxy name is Milky Way galaxies. This is also called in Hindi Akash Ganga also. And this cluster of galaxy make up the galaxy, and there's a countless star and on the universe and make up a galaxy. Third one is star. Star. There are many stars in the universe. This star considered made from the galaxy. And this galaxy make a shape of different stars like that. This is known as constellation. Give a different shape and size. This is known as a star, and this star group is Ursa Major, Orion, Ursa Major. This give us the many shape and size of the star. This considered known as constellation. There are 88 constellations in the universe, and there are 8 planets in the universe. So this our solar system is very important for us. From today you already discussed the universe, what is universe, Big Bang theory, galaxy, star, constellations, and from the sun the 3 rays come: infrared radiation, visible rays, and ultraviolet radiations. And these ultraviolet radiations will not come in the earth, because in the earth there is an ozone layer. The Photonic's formula is O3, that make one of the blanket of the earth that help us from the penetrating of ozone layer. And in the if this ozone layer come to the earth, there is many too much occurs, skin cancer also, plant crops can damage also. So that's why we should need to protect this our ozone layer by stopping the global warming. So we should stop the global warming and conserve the natural resources there is many natural resources. One is man-made resources, and second is natural resources, and also a physical environment. In the physical there is a biotic environment and abiotic environment, and human resources is the most important resource of the universe. And also we should think in the mind that we should make our universe green. So we should plant more and more trees, so that our universe can be free from the global warming also, and from the air pollution also. I think all of you understood it. If any problem, you can ask me. Thank you. Have a nice day.